In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video in Canva. If you're polishing a clip for social media or trimming a tutorial to the essentials, speeding it up is quick and precise inside the Canva editor. Start by opening your video template or any design where your video will live. This gives you the canvas, layout, and brand elements you need, so the timing changes you make will match the final design. Next, insert the video you want to speed up. You can upload your own file or pick one from your library, then drag it onto the canvas. If your design uses a frame, drop the video into that frame so it snaps into place. Before changing anything, press play to watch the video at its normal speed. This baseline preview helps you decide how much faster you want it to be and spot moments that must remain readable, like on-screen text or transitions. Select the video on the canvas, then click Speed in the top toolbar. You'll find it near the BG Remover option when the clip is selected. If you don't see speed, make sure the video itself is highlighted rather than a background or text box. Adjust the speed to 2x to double the playback. You can drag the slider or type the value directly. At 2x, the video will play twice as fast and the clip's duration will be cut in half, which is great for time lapses or quick how-tos. Keep in mind that any embedded audio will also speed up, so plan to review how it sounds. Click Preview to see the result without distractions. Use this focused view to check motion smoothness, legibility of any text, and how the new timing feels with your layout. Watch the sped up video all the way through. If it looks rushed or key details flash by, you can always come back and fine-tune the speed setting till the pacing feels right. If you want to revert, click the 2x label or the speed control again to reopen the panel. Set the value back to normal by entering 1 or moving the slider to 1x, and the clip will return to its original timing. And that's it. You opened your design, inserted your video, reviewed the baseline, set the speed to 2x, previewed the change, and learned how to switch back to 1x. Follow these steps anytime you need a clean, polished speed up in Canva.